Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Dead by Daylight on Mac step by step. Install Steam and create a Windows partition with Boot Camp, or set up a Windows VM, then download Dead by Daylight and verify graphics drivers. Adjust in-game settings for performance and set up your controller or mouse and keyboard preferences. Test matchmaking in a casual lobby before diving into ranked matches for a smoother start. Choosing between Boot Camp and a VM depends on your priorities, performance versus convenience. Boot Camp offers native speed and higher FPS, so play there if you want competitive matches. A VM is great for quick testing or casual play when you cannot repartition your drive. Either way, keep drivers updated, allocate enough CPU and RAM, and close background apps to free resources before launching Dead by Daylight for smoother gameplay. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more Mac gaming tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy pick for gaming rooms, offering good sound and voice controls that announce match timers or play ambient music. It's small, affordable, and adds personality to your setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Set controls and performance options before jumping into matches to avoid mid-game tweaks. Map keys or controller buttons to familiar layouts, tune mouse sensitivity, and test input lag in a private match. Drop graphics settings like shadow quality and post-processing when FPS dips, and enable VSync only if you experience screen tearing. Keep an eye on temperatures to prevent thermal throttling, and consider a cooling pad for longer sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.